Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a sweet dish called pineapple kesari. So without any delay, let's get started and check out the recipe. To make this we need 1 cup of Rava or Semolina, 1 cup of finely chopped pineapples, 1.5 cups of sugar to balance the sourness of pineapple, few cashew nuts and raisins for garnishing, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, pinch of saffron soaked in a milk. This will give a lovely yellow color to the kesari. These are the ingredients we needed. Please check the description box for the detailed list. Heat the pan and add 1/2 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. Add Rava to this and fry till it becomes golden brown. On the medium heat, keep stirring slowly and continuously till the aroma comes out and it becomes golden brown. Once done, keep it separate. In the same pan, add 1/2 teaspoon of ghee. Add cashew nuts and fry till it becomes golden brown. Now add raisins to this. Once done, keep it separate for garnishing. Now add finely chopped pineapples and fry for some time. Add 3 cups of water to this. For 1 cup of Rava, here I am adding 3 cups of water to get the proper consistency. Let it boil. Now in this stage, when boiling, keep it on the medium heat and add the roasted Rava slowly, little by little, so that it won't form any lumps. Once the Rava has absorbed all the water, now add sugar and mix well. Keep stirring slowly so that it won't form any lumps. Now add the soaked saffron and milk to the kesari and mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now add fried cashews and raisins and mix well. To get the proper soft texture for the kesari, here I am adding 1/2 teaspoon of ghee on top. Now the yummy pineapple kesari is ready to be served. It has come out really well. Hope you like the video. Do try this recipe and give me your feedback. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates. Thank you. Bye.